Hello, my man. For today's video, I'm right. Go to my work. The day is a rainy day. Yeah, it's a rainy day. I wrote I wrote it was not good for riders for today because your road is wet. Is my jamming little sand in the road is not good condition in my tire. Yeah, it's very bad condition in the road. Because I'm not no speeding because I'm slide. Your safe your ride, your speed very slowly. For today's video, I'm a safe ride, slowly drive. Okay, okay. Safe and drive and very slowly because I'm rainy day. Have a good day and support my content creator, and my create is very thank you. Bye.